Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin with essentials: an axe, rope, tarp, 1 torch, and 2 crates. Gather them quickly and go. First, select a dense stand 10 to 30 meters from your camp so you cut less travel and drop logs within reach. Once done, mark a 3x3 harvest patch. Clear the underbrush to avoid tree snagging. Make your first cut at the base. Aim low for stability. Then use short, controlled swings so the tree falls into the tarp zone for efficient collection. Once you have initial logs, process methodically. Split each trunk into half and full lengths to maximize crate packing. This reduces wasted gaps. Use the tarp to slide roughly 50% of each haul straight to storage, then stack vertically to save floor area. Make sure to rotate tools every 30 minutes to prevent breakage, swap axes, or sharpen. This keeps your pace steady. While you work, maintain a clear path between forest and base. That small extra organization multiplies your output dramatically. You complete the cycle by running a repeatable night loop. Cut 4 trees, slide them, refill crates, and repeat until dawn. This cadence creates effectively unlimited logs across nights. Make 1 crate a buffer at base so you never stall while refilling. If a tool breaks, repair or replace it immediately to keep momentum. If a tree or log snags, use rope to pull it free or burn small debris with 1 torch. This quick fix prevents long delays and keeps your loop intact.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.